Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. If today is your first time, please kindly subscribe and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. So today what we are going to talk about is the benefits of pawpaw and onions when you mix them together. We are going to talk about the benefits. We all know pawpaw is very good for the body and it have a lot of benefits. And also onions is very good. Onions help you, it help a lot in the body. When you have fever, you took onions juice, it's going to help you to reduce those fever, it's going to calm the fever down. Also onions help in sight. When you have eyes problem, you make use of your onions, you eat it or you take the juice, it will also help you. Onions help you to digest your food. Onion cure fever, it cure many pains in your body. When you have those joint pain, shoulder pain, all those waist pain, all over the body pain, body pains, when you took onion juice, is very good. It help a lot. So for the pawpaw is very good. Pawpaw leaf and seed, both of them have a lot of health benefit. For the seed, when somebody is sick, like he have stomach ulcer, prepare the seed. I'm going to make a video of that about. You have a lot of benefit also. But today what we are going to do, we are going to talk about the leaf. When you mix them together, what is going to cure your body. So how to prepare the leaf, the juice. Grab pluck some leaves from the pawpaw tree, from pawpaw, then whisk it and slice some onions, blend them together, make it as juice. 5 leaves from pawpaw and onions, make use of 2 full onions, then slice them together, wash them very well, then blend them, let it blend very well. Blend them very well and add honey. When you are through with blending, add honey to it so that it will taste good. If you are somebody that can't take something without no taste, without sweet, just add little honey instead of sugar. Add honey. Honey is also good for the body, so add honey for taste. So let me tell you guys what you are going to achieve, what is going to benefit from this juice. If you are somebody that is, whenever he's having menstruation, he is going through pain, a lot of pain. Some people when they're having menstruation, they have a lot of pain. They are going through a lot of pain. Make use of this juice. When you are having your menstruation, you have pain. Take onions and pawpaw leaf, blend them together, add little honey. Drink it. Your menstruation pain is going to leave you. You are going to have your menstruation peacefully without no pain. It also low blood pressure. If you are somebody that is having problem with his low blood sugar, you have blood sugar problem, take this juice. It's going to help you a lot. It's going to help you to lower your blood sugar. Are you somebody that is difficult to grow your hair, or you have been making your hair is not growing, is difficult, or your hair is every time you lose a lot of hair? Make use of this juice. It will help you to promote your hair growth. Serious, your hair is going to grow it's going to grow wonderful. Some people have a lot of hair, but whenever they lose it, a lot is out from it. But when you make use of this juice, it's not like your hair is not going to break, no, but not that much as before. Just little. You just see little. But the more you are taking it, the more the hair is going to be short. The cutting of your hair is going to be shorter. Are you having a skin problem? Have a problem with your skin? Some people have, when it comes to winter, they have a lot of skin problem. When it comes to summer, they have a lot of skin problem. Are you part of this person that is having skin problem? Take this juice. Take onions and pawpaw leaf juice. Take it. It's going to help you a lot in your skin problem. It's going to help you. Your skin is going to be healed and your skin is going to glow like baby skin. You see, this is the most part I love this juice. This is why I love it so much. You know, now in this world now, a terrible sickness is everywhere. A lot of sickness is everywhere. So this juice, this particular juice I'm talking about now, is going to help you to, if you are somebody that is having a cancer, is going to help you to cure that cancer. Any risk of cancer is going to help you to heal it. If you are somebody that don't have it, you are taking this juice and you will never have cancer. It reduces the risk of having cancer. This juice, it reduces the risk of having cancer. You see why this juice is very good. It's very good. No, most things in life, we human don't know about those things. Those leaves, they help a lot than those tablets we take. They have a lot of benefit without no side effects. Without side effects. That is why it's very good to be consistent using what you know. You know, when it comes to leaves, you eat them and you eat the fruits. You use the leaf to cook, you eat them. They have no side effects. As long as you use it, you eat the fruits, nothing happen to you. Including when you drink it, nothing will happen to you. So it's very good to use what we know than what we don't know. For instance, we bought tablets from the chemist or apothecary. We don't know how they made it. All we know is that they are doctors, they are official, they went to the school, so we believe what they are selling is good. So we buy it, we eat it, our sickness is gone. We are happy. Also with these herbs, all those herbs we have, all those leaves we have in our compound, what we make use of, cooking and everything, when we take it and with the instruction given to you, you take it like that, is going to reduce any problem. For instance, you are having headache, somebody give you a headache medication. If you didn't take it, it's not going to work. But when you take it the way they gave it to you, it's going to work. Like I said before, it reduces the risk of having cancer. You also treat any kind of disease. If someone is having disease, you treat any kind of disease. You also treat heart disease. When you are somebody that is having heart problem, you don't know what is this, just take this juice. It's going to help you to reduce that pain you are having your heart. It will treat your heart problem, your heart trouble, your heart disease is going to treat it. Or you are somebody that will eat and you feel like your food is not digesting, you are feeling something in your throat, take this juice. It's going to digest down your food for you and your body will be very okay and calm. This is what we are going to talk today, and this is all the benefit you are going to achieve from this juice. If you do love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss out of any of my video. I'm going to be giving you guys a lot of health benefits in this channel. A lot of health benefits, what you can benefit from those your leaves you see around you, and what you can benefit in one or two ways. I have a lot of benefits. Just kindly subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss out of any of my video. I love you guys and stay blessed.